If you are brand new to this and there are certain processing terms that are unfamiliar, I thought I'd make a little video so that I could go over those with you and they would be a little clearer. Um, first one is infusion. That just means to make it into a tea. You're gonna boil it in water for a little bit or put it into already boiled water. Then you're gonna let it steep for 5, 10 minutes, depending on what it is. And then you remove it and drink. Obviously, you could add sugar and such. Another term is oxymel, which is equal parts vinegar and honey to either an equal or half part of whatever plant matter it is. You let it sit for 4 to 6 weeks, shake it once in a while, then you strain it, and then you can take that like a daily shot of whatever plant matter it happens to be that you used. The benefit to the oxymel is that you have vinegar and honey, which extract different compounds. The oxymel is that it also tastes good. You get the honey, which sweetens it, so you're not having this bitter traditional medicine. The original Robitussin was pretty nasty, and the honey being added in kind of prevents that because certain herbs, they have the most abusive tastes. Next would be an oil extraction. So that's where you're putting your plant matter into oil, letting it sit and extract over a period of a month, 4 to 6 weeks. In some cases, longer, depending on what the plant matter is and how it was when you put it in. The next one would be a tincture, and that is where you are extracting your plant benefits into high grade alcohol. You want 80 proof or higher, and it has it has a benefit over the oxymel where it is a stable long term uh, extraction method. Tincture you can leave sit for a year or longer depending on how high grade the alcohol was. It's going to need to be diluted when you use it, unless you can handle a straight shot of whatever plant matter plus the alcohol. And then the last term would be deconcoction, which is where you're going to boil your plant matter in water for 10, 15, even 20 minutes, and then you put a lid on it and you let it sit off to the side and cool to room temperature. Then you can start to use it. So I would say the tincture has the longest possible shelf life. Oil extraction would be the second, oxymel third, deconcoction, and then an infusion. In that order, longest to shortest.